Hey guys, it's Eamon here from Infrared Heating. Today we're on a job here in Cork. This customer has a north-facing extension and built it a few years ago, finding it hard to heat. Sorry, I'm just a bit dusty there because I was rolling up the sleeves today doing a bit of work. What I'll do is I'll just bring you inside and just show you how the project is coming along. So there's 4 heaters going in here. With our IR sun regulator controller, so I'll just bring you in here now and just show you how we're doing. So you can see in the ceiling there we have the heaters themselves. They're slim, lightweight, fitted directly to the ceiling, and there's 4 in this room just for even distribution of heat. And then we're controlling it with our IR sun regulator controller. So we have 2 heaters here, and then we have another 2 here. So there are 3 of them are in, and the guys are just putting in the 4th one below. So we split this area into 2 zones because the outer end here will heat differently than the internal space. So the fact that we're zoning it into 2 areas means that the panels will work more efficiently. So let's just give you an idea of what we're doing here. These are our SR7s with our IR sun regulator. These will cost around for the first hour they're on, if they're on all for a full hour, you're looking around 80 cents an hour, which is economical to run for electric heating. And then they'll put a nice, comfortable, gentle heat. So these panels have a 10-year warranty. That's 5 and 5 is 10. And then they have the regulation type controller, which means as the room heats, the level of heat from the panel reduces. So that improves the efficiency and the comfort level, because you don't have that blast of heat coming down on top of you. It's a background, nice, comfortable, gentle heat. So again, if you're building extension, apartment heating, trying to get away from oil or gas, infrared is the way to go. It's easy to install, no maintenance. They're up on the ceiling, out of the way, and hassle free. So for more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie.